everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change password on blockchain.com exchange account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your blockchain app on your phone and make sure you're signed in as well. Now right afterwards, your home interface is gonna appear to be like this. From over here, tap on this profile icon on top left corner. And now simply scroll a bit and tap on this option of change password. Go ahead, tap on it. Simply go ahead, enter your particular current password. Once you're done entering, simply go ahead, enter a new password for you. Go ahead, do so. And once you're done with that, simply gonna go ahead again, confirm your new password accordingly. And once you have added the perfect password that matches on top, you can tap on update password at the bottom and your password will be updated. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.